from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in oversold territory. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The CCI is in oversold territory.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
Oil prices rose more than 2% as supply concerns resurfaced after US President Donald Trump revoked a license granted to US oil major Chevron to operate in Venezuela. However, investors were still keeping an eye on signs of a potential peace deal in Ukraine, which could result in higher Russian oil flows. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq fell, weighed down by a drop in AI heavyweight Nvidia following its quarterly report, while investors focused on data pointing to a cooling US economy. Nvidia dropped 6% after the US chip provider gave a weaker than expected quarterly forecast. The Federal Bureau of Investigation said that North Korea was responsible for the theft of approximately $1.5 billion in virtual assets from cryptocurrency exchange Bybit. The FBI said it is expected the assets will be further laundered and eventually converted to fiat currency.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.